right, can I hear myself? Countdown to the biggest academic battle on TV. It's on tonight. Will the 2018 Schools Challenge Quiz champion be St. Jago or Ready Strong Campion? You're going to have to tune in tonight at 8:35 right here to find out the answer because the producer of the show is not going to give us any inside information. No. Further, you don't know what's going to happen tonight.
I have no idea.
And sometimes even when you think you know what's going to happen, everything just turns on its head.
Absolutely.
Because it's just so exciting.
Yes.
Executive producer of Schools Challenge Quiz, Michael Gonzalez, is here with me. Again, feels like we were just talking 2 months ago.
Yesterday. No, yesterday.
Time flies.
Very quickly.
Oh my gosh.
Especially when you're having fun.
This year is which year now? 49?
49, yes. And I've not been the producer for 49. For the record.
You just want to make that clear.
Absolutely.
You've been the producer for how long?
Long enough.
How long?
Long enough.
How long?
At least maybe almost 30.
Wow, Mike. Wow, that's a long time.
Yes, very long.
So introspect and look back for me and tell me where we were when we started as opposed to where we are now.
Well, I think the quiz started 69, 70. Clearly, I wasn't the producer then. But it was
from the
modeled.
time you started.
Yeah, it was modeled of the UK British Quiz University Challenge. Hope Stewart was the person who started it with a few schools. And then it just took off.
Started in 69. Hughes was the first and only.
First and only, yes. And
girls' school to win.
And they continued to talk about that.
I know, but I mean, that's a distinction. We need a girls' school to come and win. Immaculate, where are you? Wolmer's, come, talk up. Kingston College, of course, we'll talk about the fact that they're the most frequent winner.
Yes, 11 times. 11
times. Yes. Okay, Monroe and Arden both have six wins. Wolmer's boys and Calabar, 5. And St. Jago and Glenmore?
4.
Yeah.
Each. Yes.
The show has kind of developed into, like it have a cult following now. It's almost like Champs.
Yes, it's pretty much.
The educational type, academic version of Champs, is it not?
It is. School, the school tie thing in Jamaica is very, very strong.
Yes.
And so the quiz is sort of like an academic Champs, yes.
Yeah.
In fact, there was a thing called Quamps. If you win quiz and Champs in the same year.
See, was that a question? 1 year? I didn't know that. Quamps is that, you knew Quamps as a thing?
Yes,
I didn't know that.
Quamps is a thing,
So if you win quiz and Champs.
In the same year, yes, and you were said to have won the Quamps.
Well, when I see what happens to some of our colleagues here, like last year, or Maxim, Bobo with his Bobo Skiwatan cotton.
Whatever that means.
Skiwoo,
yes.
Monroe and
Bobo.
Archie and with his Jago. Like Archie's gonna, I don't know what's gonna happen to him tonight.
You have to tie him up before prime time news.
I'm not going to tie him. I don't know what kind of trouble you're trying to get me in. It's not going to happen. Tell me about this season now.
A good season. And the defending champions, Monroe, reached very far in the competition. Unfortunately, they were beaten by St. Jago. Or fortunately, if you look at it from the other side, from St. Jago's side, Old Harbour.
Tell me about some, I was going to say, tell me about some of the surprises.
Old Harbour reached the semi-finals.
Stumped a lot of people.
Just lost to St. Jago in a very close match.
Wow.
And in the third place match, they lost Arden in that match.
Which shows you too, Mike, that this competition, it's grooming and growing the schools because they're aiming for something. Their game is getting better.
And it's more than just playing to win.
Yeah.
It's about building character, team spirit, sportsmanship, and the communities who follow their schools. They are not just playing for themselves and their families, they're playing for communities.
Absolutely.
And,
pride.
And Jamaicans love a good underdog.
You know that, right? Of course. I mean, I look at even tonight when we do the live coverage, myself and Neville will be hosting that, along with the quizmasters who will be there. The communities literally gather and put up screen in the middle of the town to watch and to cheer with them pot cover.
Absolutely.
So it's a big deal.
I mean, Teachfield, I remember when they were in the finals, for 4 years, I think. Each time people gathered in Port Antonio Square, just like Olympics, to beat the pot cover and get ready for the.
And when we set up in the backyard, it's vuvuzelas. It really is a Quamps-like affair.
It is.
So, Mike, I figured if you've been doing this for a while, then there's some things you should know about quiz.
You're not going to ask me questions.
Of course not.
But you remember, I'm the one who do the question.
Right. So now I'm flipping the script. I'm going to ask you one question. I'm going to ask you several.
Several.
All right. Which you all know.
Are there prizes? Are there advertising prizes for?
The prizes that you get to be on TV for. You got the prize already, you win. Winning right now. You ready, Shawno? Do we have a buzzer or a clock? I feel like Mike should get the real treatment, All right, ready?
Yes.
Name the only all-girls school to win the school challenge quiz.
St. Hugh's High.
Which high school has won the most school challenge quiz championships?
Kingston College.
Which St. Anne-based high school was the first to win the school challenge quiz competition?
York Castle.
In what year?
1972.
Whoa, when was the last time St. Jago won a high school challenge quiz championship?
2010.
Who was the first winner of the school challenge quiz competition?
St. Hugh's.
How many schools have won the school challenge quiz championship?
13.
Which high school has the most consecutive wins in school challenge quiz?
Calabar.
Which two schools are tied with 6 wins for the second most school challenge quiz championships?
Calabar and Monroe and Calabar. I don't know.
One more guess.
Monroe.
Tied with 6 wins.
Monroe and Woolmers. Well.
Pass.
Pass.
When was the last time Calabar won a high school challenge championship?
2013.
Name the first all-boys school to win the school's challenge quiz competition.
All boys. Monroe. Woolmers.
Good.
Yeah.
Which year did Titchfield High win the school's challenge quiz competition?
Went to so many finals. 2016?
Yes, good job. All right, that's not bad. Last time Calabar won the high school challenge was 2012.
2012.
And the two schools tied with 6 wins for the second most school challenge quiz championships are Monroe and Arden.
Arden.
She did a good job.
Thank you.
Good job,
let's
Shauna.
hope the teams don't
Shauna
do what I
did
did.
that. Some of that will be there, but you have to know when to do that.
Yes.
Not in the buzzer section, or you can lose a full 2 points. Let the folks know the details for tonight before we go.
Well, we're starting at 8:30 right after
sir.
primetime news. Yourself and Neville, as you said earlier, we'll be here for the pre-game show. The hype, the buzz, the behind the scenes, the excitement. I think they're going to be viewers' parties at both schools. I'm not sure. I know Campion has one, I'm not sure about St. Jago, but we will have cameras at both schools if in fact they do have watch parties. Also, we're going to be looking at, what makes these two teams tick. Taking you to their community, their families, and so on. The big match is at just about almost 9 o'clock. John Paul Manu is the presenter for tonight, and we're looking forward to a great match. I think the team that keeps their composure, Simone, as I say every year.
The case.
Because at this point, the knowledge base is basically the same.
That's right.
It is how they execute on the night.
Yeah.
Campion comes in with 243 points for the season. St. Jago 176. It's a gap, but don't let that fool you.
No.
It's what happens on the night. And
when the pressure,
yes.
will the pressure bust pipe, or will they maintain, as you say, their composure?
It's pretty much everybody in Jamaica will be watching the match. So with that knowledge that you're on the spotlight, it's not as easy as a regular match.
It's what you do with the adrenaline.
Yes.
Do you harness it for positivity, or does it take you down? We'll see tonight.
Absolutely.
8:35 right here on TVJ, executive producer of Schools Challenge Quiz, and obviously proving that he could be on quiz himself this morning.
Questions were easy.
Gonzalez.
Easy questions.
Ishana. On the other side of the break, Dr. Dayton Campbell's call for accountability in the crisis at the Cornwall Regional Hospital. We'll talk about that in a couple of minutes. Be right back.
Great.